Hello friends, so I'm back with a bang again with another video on how to become a rising and top rated Upwork freelancer. Yes, so this picture is not of me, but it's a refreshing photo that I found on internet, and I would like to share it with you that no matter what age you are, you can always start a new Upwork career right here, right now, right away on Upwork with us. So stay tuned. Okay, so just before I begin with this video, I would like to share a short recap of the past video that I shared with you all, and you all really loved it, and I know that you want more videos, and so this is the reason I am telling you about all that you need to know on Upwork. So first, I told you about how to get started, and then I told you how to create a free client account on Upwork, and then I told you about login procedures on Upwork, and I told you about how to find the best freelancing jobs, and how to join the world's marketplace and how to grow there. And then I told you how to find the best job that is applicable as per your domain on Upwork. And lastly, I told you about higher freelancing, making things happen, and in-demand talent on Upwork, and how Upwork is helping us grow. So all these things you can find on this platform at Real World channel. So please subscribe to our channel and keep on watching, because in the next part I'll be telling you more about growing yourself on Upwork and developing good freelancing skills. Thank you. Okay guys, so the video is not over, and right now I'm going to tell you about how to start freelancing with no experience, especially with respect to Upwork profiling and setup. So stay tuned and keep watching Real World Education Network. So now I'm going to tell you about the Upwork 100 key highlights, which has been shown here as in this picture, that US workers are being hired by businesses all around the world, and not just US individuals but also people from other countries are being hired through a Upwork platform. And they have told us that the independent professionals earn more on average than most US workers. What is the reason is that you have time flexibility, you have easy to do works on Upwork, which you can do at the comfort of your home place, and you can relax and work at the same time. And there are many other benefits that you have while you are working on Upwork. Also, it's saying that the Upwork 100 is a quarterly series that ranks the hottest skills in today's US freelancing job market. You can see that people, mostly the industry peoples, are now shifting towards freelancing, and they are outsourcing their work on Upwork, because Upwork is a highly reliable platform, and it provides an indication of current trends in the independent labor market, and in the tech industry especially, and it serves as a barometer of the skills businesses are seeking and that independent professionals are providing. So Upwork is a growing platform, and I all recommend you all to join this platform, because it has also helped me kickstart my freelancing career, and those tips I'm providing you over here. So also in this video I'll be telling you about the top 10 industries being hired by US freelancers and how to get involved in those industries. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you about the skilled, global, and in-demand Upwork's top 10 skills in technology, marketing, and customer services. So companies of all sizes are relying on independent talent in tech, marketing, and customer service to meet their business critical needs. And they focus mainly on customer connections. So right now I'm going to tell you about the top 2 marketing skills that are trending on Upwork. The first skill is social media marketing, which myself is involved in, and I actively work on Upwork and get good clients who are paying in massive amounts on social media marketing, because it is the a key thing that all the companies are seeking for their marketing purposes. And the second thing is lead generation, which obviously occurs as a result of either social media marketing or customer support services. So that's one and another thing, but it's not just the same thing, but it is really popular as well. The third thing is Facebook marketing. So people are seeking people who have good Facebook connections and who can popularize their products on Facebook, and they can analyze data, they can help them out on Facebook and other platforms. So this is also a rising talent that has risen on Upwork in their current era. Okay, and then we have SEO. SEO has been a popular practice for a long time, and I personally like this as well because it helps you to grow yourself organically and get good followers. So SEO is a must recommendation from my side as well. And the fifth thing is B2B marketing, which is also another marketing tactic being followed these days by a huge number of people worldwide. So it's up to you, out of all these marketing strategies, which one to choose, as these are all good in my opinion. Okay, so the next thing is that Instagram, just like Facebook, Instagram is growing, and Instagram is more popular for its images, which it showcases. You can put your selfies over there, you can put your business profiles over there. You have limited option of showcasing your work, just like the growing artists who want to tell other people about their digital and their personal skills. They can always use Instagram, and they can hire people who have good influential Instagram accounts with many followers. The next marketing skill is marketing strategy. So people who are building marketing strategies are now very common on Upwork, and they are getting lots of work from the company who want to grow themselves and be a popular one in the market. And the next thing is social media management. Social media management has also become common for numerous big and small firms who want to grow themselves on social media platforms. So basically, if we see that Facebook and Instagram are also social media management, but they can be either separately addressed or they can be addressed together with social media management, which is why this domain is more common as compared to these separate ones. Okay, so we have now email marketing. Email marketing is common for call centers as well as for other companies as well who want to promote their products through sending emails to their clients. So basically, email marketing is all about sending cold emails which are welcoming and which tell about the products that the company is selling, and this domain is also gaining popularity on Upwork. Okay, the 10th is marketing research, which has become a growing marketplace magnetizing work, and it helps in the companies in growing their research works, and with special emphasis to R&D, research and development procedures, which are being adopted by numerous international and domestic firms day by day as they are shifting to more research works in daily life. Okay guys, so sharing with you an example of a digital marketing profile which can be customized by yourself, but I'm just giving you a digital marketing overview about it. So this is a profile which I have chosen as an example to share with you. So they are told that I use Facebook, Instagram and Google advertising to help businesses rapidly grow revenue, acquire new customers and increase profitability. And I am one of the lucky few who can say that their work is their passion, and I truly enjoy helping clients in many different niches to grow and thrive. I have a narrow focus on Facebook ads and Google ads, formerly Google AdWords, in order to stay on the cutting edge and deliver the best possible results for my clients. So I really like this profile because it was a really straightforward one, and there were good use of words, and captivating words especially are really important for your profile to make you stand out in the world of marketing, because if you are marketing on social media, you obviously need good words for that, and if you don't have these words, the clients won't like it. Okay, In this profile, it's already told that what sets me apart from many Facebook and Google ad consultants is that I genuinely care about your results, not just professionally. When I work on a project, I become personally invested in its success. I take great satisfaction from exceeding expectations, and I look to work with clients for long term. And getting a great ROI, taking a return of investment, this is what it means, on your marketing budget involves many moving parts. And they have also told about the quality of ad copy and targeting, constant creative optimization, memorable branding, and spread tested landing pages optimized for conversions. So all these things are really important when you are writing a profile, and in the end you need to tell about why you are a good fit, and you have to tell your skills like they have mentioned it in a point wise way, which is really important. As on Upwork, when clients approach you, they just see your profile and then they decide which person they should hire about. And then they have told about the Facebook campaign management and the Google ad search about, and then looking forward to working with you. This is the next profile that I'm gonna share with you, and it's a top rated profile with 100% success rates. And as you can see how much this person is asking for an hour, like $150. That's like too much. If you're spending like 8 hours or so, you can see the budget is like $1,200 what you can earn per day. So this is how this works, that it's an online marketing expert and consultant, and this person is dealing with funnels, lead generation, and Facebook ads. And the best part I like about this profile is that the way it is presented and the way they have projected themselves. So they have also put up a video for projecting themselves, and they have written about their total earnings, their total job, total hours, and then a description which I really like is that I'm one of the top rated marketing experts on Upwork, and I started my marketing career launching a popular fitness brand. As a co-founder of my fitness brand, I was responsible for all marketing for the company, and I created a website with over 250,000 unique visitors a month, and I built my brand to millions of social media followers. I spend millions on Facebook advertising for my own products. I consider myself a master at ad creators. Some of my ads have literally 1 cent per click, which is best you can do. So it's all about like pay per click. They have described all about it and how it can convert into $1 million project per month sales through Shopify funnel and social media campaign. So they have also told about the ad creation and the engaging part about it, and how these ads can lead to 500,000 leads a day. What other parts that I liked about this profile was that the person has told about his content being projected on top websites and publications, and about the experience with some of the popular celebrities, athletes, and mobile apps that have taken their services, and they have received huge amounts of sales through this person's help. And they have also told about the website design, social media marketing, and sales funnel, especially with ClickFunnels and Shopify, lead generation, email automation, and viral email marketing, and basically anything pertaining to online marketing which this person can achieve through their expertise. And the reason that he is on Upwork is that he wants to create a successful online business, and he have to help others in building that too. And this is the reason that is forwarding all their expertise to the companies who are requiring freelance workers on Upwork. And especially I like the point is that they have mentioned about their education properly, their English, and the way the talent cloud is working over here. So they have told about everything, and their projecting everything in a smooth way, which is very important when you are creating a profile on Upwork. It's very important that everything must be mentioned, and a balanced profile must be created, so that the people who are hiring must be captivated by your thoughts and by your experience, so you can get good clients. And on regular basis, your availability must be there for you to shine on Upwork and get a top rated buyer soon. And it's an important aspect that your projects must be uh, properly done and sent to the client, so that you get good feedbacks on Upwork. And this is what I recommend all who are watching this video to do while you are working on Upwork. You have to maintain a steady profile so that your visibility stays on top of your clients 24/7, so you get good chances of receiving a project, and you have to be delivering it on timely basis. And so this is all for today. Thank you for watching and liking my video. And in the next video I'll be telling you about, it's all about relationships and the top 10 customer services skills, along with how you can achieve good work on Upwork through mastering these skills and developing a good profile regarding these customer support skills. So stay tuned and keep watching Real World Education Network. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. This is all for today, and please keep on subscribing and liking our videos, because it's really important for you to develop a good relation with us, and we can also help you in developing your business through our channel. Thank you.